How to solve PayPal permanent limited problem. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. If you're having this problem, simply open Chrome and then type in paypal.com and log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down. At the bottom, you'll find Contact Us option. Simply click on Contact Us. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find Call Us option. Click on Call Us, which is below other options. In here, simply click on Call Us and enter one-time password for quicker service in the dial pad. This is only available in English. Simply call and you can describe them their problem and then they'll solve it. And this is how to solve PayPal permanent limited problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophie signing off until next time.